Y'all, hey, happy Black History Month. Today we're going to make some roasted artichokes. So let's get into it. All right, here are our ingredients. We got 2 lemons, we got 3 artichokes, we have some fresh thyme, garlic, olive oil, paprika, red crushed pepper flakes, some pink Himalayan salt, and some fresh cracked peppercorn medley. Okay? So we're going to start off by cutting off the ends of the artichokes. Listen, child, I should have picked a bigger knife, but I didn't. But let's just move through it. Because the leaves on the outside are very tough. Okay, so and my knife was sharp, but I should have just used the appropriate knife. This wasn't appropriate for this. So go ahead and cut off the tops of your artichokes. Now you're going to start to peel off a few of the rougher outer petals of the artichokes, okay? So you can use like kitchen shears or whatever. I just decided to go in with my hands and just get busy and cut it off like that. Listen, we don't be having time to be looking for all this stuff. And then you're going to trim off the remaining of the artichoke, the petals of the artichokes after you get down some. But I'm telling you, these are some tough petals, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you see at the end, there is a lot of, pieces that I didn't get off. But I'm going to go ahead and use a peeler to peel off the rest of it. Okay, using a vegetable peeler to peel off around the rims there, as you can see. So as you can see, I did go ahead and use the vegetable peeler to trim off the rest of the outer leaves, and we leave some of the branches. Baby, let me tell you something. This thing was giving me hell, and my knife is good, but I could have used a better knife. But look, you gotta put your back into it. All right, we're gonna slice all of these in half here. And this is what the inside look like. So let's go ahead and finish doing what we're doing. We're going to clean out the inside. You'll see it's like fuzzy at the bottom. It's a fuzzy layer inside. And all you're going to do is grab you a spoon and get to scooping it out. Now, advice, I didn't do this, but you should have cut your lemon and go ahead and rub it down the insides and the outsides of your artichokes, okay, before you start this process, okay? It slows down, the browning of the vegetables. That's what I didn't do. So my bad. So make sure you do that before you start doing, just rub the petals and the ends with 1/2 of the lemon to keep the ends from oxidizing, okay? And so I didn't do that. And so you want to do this again. So I'm just scooping out this here, the fuzzy parts that I told you about. And then I'll be back. You don't need to watch me do all of this. Y'all, I guess I was moving too slow, okay? I cut up half of the lemon after cutting the fur out of here. The fuzzy stuff, y'all. The fuzzy stuff. Lord, not fur. Wiped this down with some lemon juice. Okay, as you can see, half of a lemon. And I wiped them down because they started getting a little brown. They started to oxidize. So I had to move quickly, right? So now next what we're going to do is that those are cleaned up. I'm about to get a baking dish so we can get these seasoned up and ready to hit the oven. Make sure you got your oven preheated to 375 degrees, okay, y'all? So let's get these in the dish. So I placed our artichokes in the dish, and now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon over them. Should have probably started with this. Grab your extra virgin olive oil and go ahead and coat these babies, and we have to rub them all together. Now, I already sliced some lemon. I have some garlic in there. Our thyme is in the pan already as well. And we're going to roast these in the oven, okay? Now, after squeezing our lemon and everything, we're going to use the seasonings that I showed you at the beginning of this video. And we're going to add on the flavor, baby, okay? Now, season to taste. You know what your taste buds is like, and use as little or more of each of the condiments. You hear me? Condiments. Seasonings that you see that I am putting on, okay? It's your dish. You make it to your liking, okay? Promise you, promise you, promise you, it will turn out wonderful, okay? Wonderful. Now, I used about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I just smashed it and roughly chopped. They're not really minced or anything like that. So now what we want to do is go ahead and rub all that good oil all over there with the lemon juice, seasoning, and making sure that we have the flavors, you know, going all around them. Because while they're roasting, we want both sides to get all the delicious seasoning. Okay? I'm going to do all 6 of the halves, and then we'll be back. You see, you get the gist. Rub-a-dub-dub in the tippy-dub-dub. So it's rub-a-dub-dub in the pin. You know I'm silly, y'all. I hope y'all enjoying the video thus far. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing on today. And leave me a comment and let me know if you've made artichokes and how do you make yours. These are roasted artichokes, so I'm going to enjoy them. I think I am. I haven't had artichokes in years, but I'm looking forward to it. So I'm done coating them. Of course, you got to wash your hands, y'all. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. So our halves of artichokes are nicely, lovely seasoned. We're going to pop this in the oven, okay? And we're going to cook, like I told you, at 375 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes. I should have covered them because they wasn't as tender as I wanted them to be, but they were delicious, okay? Look at that. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. But like I said, I should have covered them with some foil, but it works. My baby girl came in, so excuse the noise, but it's so lovable. I love hearing her voice. I was going to cut it out, but why should I? But anyway, if you try this, leave me a message down below and let me know what you think about this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make some for your family and let me know how it turns out. Maybe you should cover yours too so that it can be nice and tender with a lightness of crispiness, okay, on the outside of the petals. All right, so thank you so much for watching. As I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out, okay? Tell your friends and family, come over and check out the video.